Did you know that combining the right exercises with specific supplements can cut injury recovery time by up to 30%? Watch how one athlete bounced back from a devastating ankle injury. Meet Jake, who transformed his recovery journey through smart training. He started with basic ankle mobility exercises, gradually adding resistance bands and light jumps. The game changer? Supplementing with 2,000 milligrams of omega-3 fatty acids and 2,000th IU of vitamin 500th daily, proven to boost collagen production and reduce inflammation. Week by week, Jake progressed from simple box jumps to more complex plyometric movements. His strategy involved increasing jump height by just 1 inch every 2 weeks, while maintaining perfect form. The combination of progressive overload and targeted nutrition led to a 60% reduction in joint pain within 8 weeks. This science-backed approach helped Jake return to full training intensity faster than expected. Think you know other effective recovery strategies? Drop them in the comments below.